In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to notify Charles Schwab of death. This process is designed to be straightforward during a difficult time. The goal is to alert Schwab quickly so they can secure the account and begin the inheritance process. There are two main ways to notify them: online, which is usually the fastest, or by phone with Schwab Estate Services if you prefer guided help. If you choose the online route, head to Charles Schwab's website and look for the Life Events section dedicated to losing a loved one. There select Notify Us of a Death. You'll be prompted to enter a few basic details, such as the full name of the deceased and, if you have it, the social security number. It only takes a few minutes. Don't worry if you don't have every piece of information right away. Starting the notification still helps secure the account and gets the process moving. If you'd rather speak with someone, you can call Schwab Estate Services during regular business days, Monday through Friday. A representative will walk you through the same steps, answer questions, and help you understand what to expect next. This is a great option if you want real-time guidance or if the situation feels complex. Once the initial report is made, be prepared to provide the essentials. At a minimum, you'll share the deceased person's full name and, if available, their social security number, as well as your name and your relationship to them. You can notify Schwab even if you don't have documents in hand yet. Starting early helps them put protective measures in place. Next, you'll need to submit a certified death certificate. You can upload it securely through Schwab's online process or send it as directed by the representative. Make sure it's a certified copy issued by the appropriate authority, not just a photocopy. After you submit it, Schwab typically verifies the document within about 5 business days. After you've notified them, Schwab will immediately secure the account. That means they'll freeze activity, stopping trading and withdrawals to protect the assets. They will then assign an estate specialist who becomes your primary point of contact. That person will explain the inheritance or transfer process, outline what comes next based on the type of account involved, and let you know which forms or permissions will be needed as the estate is settled. To recap, notify Schwab online or by phone, provide the basic information you have, then submit the certified death certificate. From there, Schwab will secure the account and guide you through the inheritance process step by step.